Parsley's looking a little sparse there, baby doll.
Cilantro.
The son of Hannibal. How old is he?
10.
10 years?
Maybe.
By the Jeezeless. Hannibal, I got underwear older than you. Baby doll, gonna give us the what fors and the how tos. Sourdough.
Well, first I gotta figure out how much is in there.
Oh, there's some figuring involved, hence the scale. You know, I don't think this is going to be well received.
Well, fuck you then.
Don't mind if I do. Okay, you do your thing and I'll do the roving commentary. Hello, Hannibal. Ugh. So he's in remission.
So, 100 grams.
100 grams of Hannibal.
Or whatever you feel.
Hannibal, you've always been my favorite son.
And then throw the rest in the budgie, in the garbage.
In the garbage. It's got a real heady little drop there. Hannibal's getting excited. It's got a real heady scent to it. Got some like some lactic acid fermentation happening there. So this is from the locality here, and everywhere you go is going to have a different sourdough, right?
Yeah.
Is you over here doing steps without me?
Getting rid of the excess.
There's some discards.
Yeah.
Now, can't you use that for something? Smearing on your face at night, or?
I wish. My discard jar is extremely full.
This is really quite naughty.
So it's going in the garbage today.
Baby doll informs us that the next step is adding the flour in the water. I am curious as to the purpose of this cummerbund.
That we will adjust once we feed him.
Just like Thanksgiver. All right. Adjustable cummerbund. What kind of flour is this?
That is all-purpose.
Just all-purpose Red Robin.
Wild
Just
Rose, whatever Canada has to offer.
Oh, franchement, c'est un désastre. Un vrai catastrophe. We have terrible, terrible flour here in Canada. Terrible. Warm water and the exact amount of water as you have starter. So 100 grams of water.
Yeah. One nice little drop. Okay. And then, same amount flour.
Another 100 grams. Now, I myself, I would optimize. I wouldn't press the button thrice. I would just calculate in my head.
Well, you can do that too, but...
300 grams. That's not exact.
It was 102. Now, stir it.
Forgot the twist at the top. How many years have you been doing this?
And then tomorrow, we make bread.
Does this go back in the fridge or
No, it'll stay at room temperature.
room temperature? So do we put it close to the fire or away from the fire?
It doesn't seem to matter. I would leave it on the counter over here. The day is the morrow.
Has it troubled?
Uh-huh. Take some starter. Whoops. Put it in the bowl. We're going to take 50 grams. 350 grams of warmish water. Mixa. And then we add 10 grams. I like to do 13 or so. Salt.
Lucky 13. That's some of that foreskin-free stuff.
Oh boy. And then 500 grams bread flour.
I missed that. How much?
500 grams.
So 50, 350, 500.
10. For the salt.
And 10 for the salt. Now, could it be when it fails that you're using the wrong kind of salt, say iodinized, and maybe it's killing something?
No, I don't think so. I've never had a trouble.
So you have used the iodized, and it's no big deal.
Yes.
So it's quite precise.
For the most part. And
Do you ever calibrate your scale?
yes.
Well, I mean, you should, because that could ruin the recipe, right?
How does one do that?
Oh, we have calibration weights.
Oh, I'll get on it.
Allow me. The weights from Winkel van Overgroot, Grootsvader. My great grand opa. See, that's 50 grams. Let's show him 48. We're off by 2 grams.
How do you know that's not a...
Because this is from Winkel van Overgrootvader.
Oh, yes.
We were occupied with my Winkel.
I made a scraggly dough.
Scraggly dough.
Um,
Scruffy looking nerf herder.
yeah, it'll look a little dry. Don't panic because it gets wet.
Don't panic. We have panic.
Then I put it in my little
Proofing.
proofing, or not proofing, a new container, clean container, and we'll let it sit for 1 hour until we do a stretch and fold.
Stretch and fold. Sounds intriguing. I like to start my new projects with enough false bravado to power me through. 52 grams of Hannibal. Now, 350 grams of water. Oh yeah, perfect. Now, 500 grams of flour.
Oui, oui.
Mais j'ai tout fucké ça ben raide. J'ai oublié le sel. 10 grammes. I feel like I'm being watched.
I'll try and get as much dry bits as you can for that scraggly dough.
Scraggly dough. Aye, aye, Captain. This is normally where in modern schooling I would be told what a smart and clever lad I am. Just want to throw that out there. Also handsome, debonair, well spoken.
There's a big onion smell.
I had a shower last night.
Did you put onions in there?
Get out of here.
Okay, stop. It has to be scraggly.
I just want to get it perfect.
Yeah, that's okay.
1 hour.
1 hour. See you then.
Sealed?
Sure. Doesn't matter. Pardon me. This one, I believe, is the one that you made. And it's grown quite a bit more than this one.
Hannibal.
While you were out running the roads, I had to do all your fold and stretches for you.
Oh, my fold and stretches for me.
Yeah.
The last time you did that, I couldn't find a D battery in the whole house. How do we know when it's...
A little bit bubbly, temperature-wise. We'll check it in about an hour, half an hour. Should be about 78 degrees.
And then they'll go in the oven?
They'll be proofed, put in a proofing basket. We'll shape them, put it in a proofing basket for about an hour, 2 hours, depending, and bake it.
This is starting to be quite involved. Happy fun times.
Yeah, proving time.
Proofing time. Just about time to put the kids to bed.
Yes, that too.
I'm clocking out.
So be gentle, because there's lots of bubbles. Don't really want to get rid of them. Okay. Just gonna do that. Okay, so we do similar to fold, stretch and fold, excuse me, but we go in the middle and we go all the way around. Make a nice ball. Gently. Gentle. And then make a nice ball until it's just nice and smooth. Okay. Then we take one of these. Loader full of flour.
I recognize that. That's my haircut bowl.
Yeah. It's where we soak our feet too. Alright. And then we take it and we put the nice side down.
Nice side down.
So that could have been a little bit tighter. It's no big deal. And we let that one rest for about an hour or two. You'll remember this from your cordon bleu days?
Oh, mais monsieur le Christ, c'est un catastrophe. Mais chef, j'ai lavé mes mains. C'est un vrai catastrophe. Me and Chef, towards the end, we got along just fine. C'est tout?
Oui.
Wah.
Oh, pardon-moi. Mouais.
Like that?
Make it a tight ball.
Tight ball.
Yeah, there you go.
On veut pas de push-molle ici. Tabarouette. Is it tight enough yet? I feel like I'm overworking it.
Okay, now... Arrête.
Arrête. Oui, chef.
We...
The foot bowl. Some stuff in there like that.
Yeah.
Comme ça.
Oui.
Then get rid of the excess or no?
Yeah, make sure it goes all the way around. You've got a fairly
Okay.
nice ball there. Okay, now put the nice side down in the bowl.
Nice side down. Oui, chef.
Oh my word. Well done.
Merci, chef. You have to have a tea towel, hand knit.
Yeah, gotta have the hand knit over your shoulder. Okay, so it looks like jiggly, and it's got bubbles and a little poke test. It leaves a little indent,
And it looks dry.
and it's not wet anymore looking.
And
This one is
yours?
still a bit wet.
A little wet, yeah.
It's getting there.
So what you're saying is I beat you.
Yeah, I'm not sure why it's the same. It's weird.
Almost like there was some sort of sabotage.
C'est possible.
Maybe a gypsy switch.
Could be. I have a feeling that was the case, you bugger. And you carefully bring it over. Pop her in.
Try not to burn yourself.
Put the lid on. Close her up.
What did they do before silicon?
Parchment.
Oh, parchment. I see. Baby doll saved me. Took the lid off. I was engrossed by the fire. Spike Van Cleve. That's 40 years of gathering.
I know sourdough is hard to add to your busy schedule. Looks good.
Oh, ça c'est une beauté fatale. Des beaux yeux rouge vin. My first live birth.
That's never happened before. What's going on?
It's a little misshapen. Got some torticollis. What are we gonna have for breakfast? Mine or yours? Let's check out the crumb on mine. Beautiful, nourishing, a gift from the sun and the soil and the rain. Not that involved either. Way better than store-bought. Thing is, you gotta be around. But it's just a whole bunch of little steps spaced over the course of one evening and a day. First evening, you feed Hannibal your culture, treble it, and then, if I recall, 50 grams of Hannibal, 10 grams of salt, 350 grams of water, 500 grams of flour mixed into a dry, shaggy ball. Let it sit, proof overnight. Once it's proofed, you put it into the bowl with some fudding around the outside. Let it proof some more. Once it's dry and feels good, you start the oven, 450. You preheat the dish, the Dutch oven, for 30 minutes. You pull the Dutch oven out, you put the bolus in there, and then you cook it for 20 minutes. Put the lid on, and you bake it for another 25 minutes with the lid off. Bob's your auntie. Would you do me the honor?
Get honor and stay honor.
Jaj, tavarnak för show. Some everyday magic, making your own bread. Give her a go, huh? Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in the rice.
Yeah.